M1 Global presents
Добрый вечер. Пришло время моей первой защиты. Защиту пояса буду проводить с бойцом из Польши Рафалом Киянчуком, который недавно выиграл бой против Гигу Кухалашвили и после выигрыша кинул мне вызов.
Hi everyone, my name is Рафал Киянчук. I'm light heavyweight fighter from Poland. I'm undefeated fighter. My record is 7 wins, no losses.
Сильные стороны соперника, его физическая сила. Работал над этим, и мне кажется, он будет зарубаться со мной. Ударная мощь у него очень хорошая. Все бои нокаутом, это говорит о том, что надо ожидать от него удара, что нельзя расслабляться. Я сам любитель зарубиться, и мне кажется, бой будет очень зрелищным.
This is a very good opponent. He's complete fighter, but I think my skills is better. The start shot is very good chance for me. This is the best fight for me. I make everything what I need to win this fight.
Рафал, ты первый боец, кинувший мне вызов. Надеюсь, ты еще не передумал и покажешь красивый бой.
Хадис, I still want to fight with you. So now is good time to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an M1 challenge bout for the light heavyweight title. Now introducing your fighter in the blue corner. This fighter is 26 years old. He weighed in at 93 kilograms. He stands 188 centimeters tall and has an unbeaten professional record of 7 wins and no losses. He is medalist of the national kickboxing champion from Poland. He is your challenger, Рафал Киянчук! And now welcome your opponent in the red corner. This fighter is 23 years old. He weighed in at 92.9 kilograms. He stands 188 centimeters tall and also has an unbeaten professional record of 7 wins and no losses. He is winner of the National Combat Sambo Cup, European Combat Sambo Champion and winner of the World Universal Combat Championship. Representing Sambo-Pitер team from Russia, your champion, Hades Ибрагимов! And the referee for this bout, Vyacheslav Kiselov.
Fighters, stand up. Okay, gentlemen, this title fight, around 5 minutes. Listen my comments every time, stay active all the time, okay? Let's go. Back you go.
This is it, the M1 Challenge light heavyweight title. Рафал Киянчук taking on Hades Ибрагимов. I'm sure everyone is as excited as me. Can Kиянчуk knock out Ибрагимов?
Well, I'll be very surprised if this fight goes 5 rounds, Ian. Very surprised indeed. But if it does, it will be survival of the fittest. But both guys, every time they punch, they put everything into it. I said on my pre-fight talk, Ибрагимов, I think would need to take this down and submit Kиянчук, because Kиянчуk has power. Oh, look at those big shots.
Huge shots.
Oh, punching in one leg, but that's what he wanted. He got the takedown.
Well, you asked me earlier who did I think would win, and I went with Ибрагимов. But I was worried when I saw the video, and he said he doesn't mind striking himself because that is not the right plan. But he's got this fight to the floor.
Yeah, I think seeing that he's going to stand and strike. Oh, somebody's bleeding hard. There's blood everywhere. Hard to see who it's coming from. Yeah, but sometimes, oh, there's a submission coming. Albeit he's thrown the wrong leg over. He threw the wrong leg over. Going for an armbar.
I think it might be in the hairline of Ибрагимов. The cut. The dripping down onto Kиянчук.
He's trying to sit up and push his opponent back from that sit-up.
Oh, Kиянчуk trying to control this groundwork. He needs this to stay here. I know what you're saying, Ian. It's easy to say that that's what you're going to do, or maybe trying to distract from the real plan. But
crucifix position, not good. Kиянчuk's in a bad position right now. Bad position indeed. You can have all the muscle in the world. If you don't know how to get out of this position,
it's a
the fight
horrible
can stop. Yeah, for
horrible
sure.
to be stuck in. Very strong position for ground and pound, because you're tying up both arms.
Well, you can see Kиянчuk's trying to lift his legs up and throw himself forward. He is not going to be able to sit up like this.
He's basically trying to use...
referee's going to stop it. Oh, that little bit of pressure by the referee made him move a little bit.
He can't just power out of here, and he has to get out.
Well, the referee said, that's it, it's over. It's over. Oh, my word, what a quick finish. A quick finish indeed. He didn't need 5 rounds. He didn't even need 1 full round. What a quick finish by the champion. Well, that just goes to show ground game is superior.
Well, firstly, we saw the danger of Kиянчук in that clinch earlier. However, as soon as they got attached and got this fight to the floor, this was one-sided. Ibragimov so controlled, he got into that position there. The nice crucifix locked it up. Kiyanchuk didn't know how to escape. He tried to just power out. You cannot just power out of that position. And he just took ground and pound, punch after punch after punch.
В центр речи приглашаются президент Ассоциации Объединенных Федераций Казахстана по ММА Есенов Халмжан Шахматанович, а также президент Алма-Ате Global Фингерштейн Владимир Григорьевич Фишеров.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 2 minutes 30 seconds of the very first round, we have a winner due to pitch, 2 ground and pound, and still your light heavyweight champion, Hades Ибрагимов! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with your winner and still your champion, Hades Ибрагимов. 2 unbeaten guys, 7-0, but even I was shocked at how well you dominated that fight. Are you surprised at how easy this fight seemed to be for you?
В этом бою встретились 2 непобежденных парня с одинаковым рекордом 7-0, но даже я удивился тому, насколько ты доминировал в этом бою. Удивился ли ты сам?
Нет, не удивлялся. У него 7-0, да, но мне кажется, у него такой, не особо 7-0. У меня были хорошие оппоненты. Он выиграл Гигу, единственную. Вот мой земляк Ибрагима Сагова, он его выиграл, потому что Сагов получил травму, а так бы, мне кажется, он выиграл. И я был уверен в своей победе.
No, I was not surprised at all. Yes, he has 7-0, but it's not a real 7-0. I had a strong opponents in my career, and yes, he defeated Giga, and he defeated my fellow countryman Ибрагима Сагова, but Sagov got injured, so no, I was not surprised.
On your pre-fight interview, you said that you were going to stand and strike with him. You didn't do that. Was that just a game plan to make him think you were going to strike and then take him down and finish him like you did? Or did you really want to stand and strike with him?
В интервью перед боем ты говоришь, что собираешься стоять с ним и обмениваться ударами. Было ли это специально такая дезинформация, заставить его думать, что ты будешь стоять с ним и перевести в партер?
Я его перевел не специально, я не лез в борьбу, просто прихватил ногу, и в стойке я не против был идти с ним в размен. И мне кажется, от удара он упал.
I was really going to take him down, I just grabbed his leg and after that. And I think that he got down because of my strike.
Okay, finally, what is next for you? That is your title defense. You've won the belt. Are you going to defend it again? Or what is next for Ибрагимов?
Теперь расскажи нам, что ты ждешь дальше от своей карьеры. Ты чемпион, ты защитил свой пояс. Что дальше для тебя?
В эту организацию я пришел прошлым годом в начале, и уже за полгода я забрал пояс. И тогда уже хотел пойти в UFC дальше. И мне нужно было провести защиту по контракту, такие правила. Вот я провел, надеюсь, больше не будет проблем с этим. Хочу попасть в UFC. И дальнейшая цель – брать там пояс.
Last year I joined M1. It took me half a year to win the belt, and I was ready to move on to the UFC. So now I defended the belt. I think I'm not going to have any problems now. And yes, my goal now is to move to the UFC and win the UFC belt.
Okay, as we always do, we give you the microphone. You can thank all your team, your family, your friends.
Чемпион, микрофон твой, ты можешь поблагодарить всех, кого хочешь.
Салам алейкум, Алма-Ате. Всем спасибо, чувствовалась ваша поддержка, то, что вы болели за меня, верили в меня. Спасибо родине моей Дагестан, вот, Шамильский район, село Стальск, город Санкт-Петербург, где я начал заниматься боями и до сих пор там тренируюсь. Спасибо моему тренеру, спарринг-партнеру и отцу. Они всегда рядом. Друг мой Федот, как всегда здесь, поддерживает меня. Вот. Вчера у моей мамы был день рождения. Очень ее люблю, она это знает. И хочу ее поздравить с опозданием, но все равно. С днем рождения, мама. Очень тебя люблю. Хочу поблагодарить часть 98-ю, где я служу, где я лейтенант воздушно-десантных войск. Слава артиллерии воздушно-десантных войск. Спасибо всем.
Alma-Ate, thank you for having me. It's been great to fight here. I also would like to thank my teammates, my coaches, my sparring partners, and of course, as always, my friend Fedot. Yeah, my mother had a birthday yesterday, and I want to say, happy birthday, Mom, I did it. So, thank you, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, your champion, Hades Ибрагимов!